Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to open your Instagram and you have to click this three lines at the top right corner. First things first, you have to switch your account to professional in order for you to do this. So scroll down and click this account types and tools and then tap this switch to professional. After you tap this one, what you're going to do is you just have to press or click continue. And then what describes you, you just have to click from any of the suggested category here. So for example, clothing brand, and then click done, click OK. And then after that, what you're going to do next here is you have to click business and then tap next. Then wait for a couple of seconds. And then here you can add information. You can add your contact number here, email address, and so on. And then click this connect to Facebook, log into Facebook. And then after that, all you have to do is select that Facebook page that you wanted to connect. And then once done, tap connect. Now, if you want to simply connect your Instagram on your Facebook page or using your Facebook page, you have to switch first to your Facebook page, scroll down, tap settings. Under settings and privacy, you have to scroll down again, and then you will see here link accounts. Now click this view, and then what you're going to do is to simply tap this connect account, connect or continue, wait for a couple of seconds, and then log in your Instagram account here or your Instagram professional or business account. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.